Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I am excited to be here with this video for the Kroger cashback program. A bunch of you have been asking, and I've not posted about it because I didn't really have a lot of information. I still am confused on some things. However, I feel like I know enough to bring you all a video about it. I'm going to first come off with a warning. There are quirks in this system. And it's new, and that's expected with a new system. It's not all perfect yet. There are still things that I feel they will improve as time goes on, I hope. And that's something we got to wait for. So, yeah, I am here, though, with this video to kind of just share some light on this because it can be a really great program. So, I even learned something new in my first attempt at filming this. So there's so much new stuff to learn, and we're going to learn it together, hopefully. So, yeah, if you're like, Nick, what in the world are you talking about? Kroger has developed a new cashback system. Not all Kroger stores have this system. They don't. However, most of them do. So, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you there are 4 Kroger affiliates that I'm aware of that have not rolled out this system yet. Those are Fred Meyer, Dillon's, JC, and Marino's are the ones that it's not available through their website. I went on some other Kroger affiliates, and they do have it. So Kroger has it, Ralph's, King Soopers, Fry's, City Market, Smith's, and QFC, they all have it. If you have another Kroger affiliate, you can look it up on their site. Those are the ones I could find. I found a list of affiliates. Those are the only ones I could find. Okay, so basically, you might be like, well, how do we do this? It is not available in the app, which is very disappointing, but it's not available in the app, which makes it really hard. You have to go on Kroger's physical website or your affiliate's website and go to this tab that says Save. Just hover over it with your mouse, and then you'll see right here where it says Cashback. So we're going to go to the Cashback program. It's going to load, and it's going to bring up tons of offers, like tons. An absolute ton of offers here. And you might be like, how do I redeem these? You do not upload your receipt, which honestly, I would rather upload my receipt. I feel like when you upload your receipt and select the offers yourself, it's more likely you'll get the rebates back. This is them doing it by when you scan your Kroger Plus card. That is how it works. So when you scan your Plus card, you have to have these offers loaded to your card at the time. Like, it has to be loaded to your Plus card when you go into the store. You can't load it afterwards. If you forget to load it, you're out of luck. It must be loaded when you scan your Plus card. So you go in and you buy the qualifying items. So, like, you got to read these close. You can't scan your barcodes. So, like, here, look at this. Buy any one Real Good Foods low-carb pizza, select varieties, valid on cauliflower pizza crust and snack. Yeah, so load them to your card, buy the product in the store, and boom, you are good to go. There is lots of offers. Now, you can only have 150 digital coupons and cash back loaded on your card at a time. Only 150. So do not go crazy loading all the cashbacks. Because let's say you load 150 cashbacks, you can't unclip the cashback. So once it's clipped, it's not going anywhere. So you won't be able to load any digital coupons. And that'd be crazy. You can unload digital coupons, so that is important, but I would not go crazy like CLR, calcium, lime, rust. Don't go loading that if you don't use that stuff because you can't unload it and you won't be able to load a digital coupon for something you actually do use. That's an important limit. So be very selective about what you load. Here's the major downfall. Since this is through Kroger, they are the ones who process it when they scan your Plus card. You have no control over it. You don't get to submit your receipt. You don't get to scan the barcodes. Kroger's the one who does it. They have announced it can take up to 7 days to process and add a balance to your account. I talked to someone who's had this program at City Market for a month, and she told me that one time she did it and they didn't give her the rebates after 7 days. The system can glitch. I know a bunch of you have loaded your Kroger card with Ibotta, and it doesn't work. You told me they miss stuff all the time, and I fear that's how it's going to be with Kroger. I'm really hoping not, but I'm fearing that's how it's going to be. If that happens, Delilah told me she called Kroger customer service and she talked to them and they credited it back to her accounts. Not all of us really want to do that because it's a major pain, but it is your money, so just be prepared that it's something you might have to do. But you have to. All right, so right there it says my available cashback is 0. That is because I already used $15. But here's what it looks like when you want to cash out. So you can either go to PayPal or you can go to your Kroger card, which is really, really nice. I think that's actually an amazing feature that you can get this money directly put on your Kroger Plus card. So when you scan your Plus card, it'll bring up on the register, or when you're going to check out, it'll bring up on your register, would you like to use blah, blah, blah credit. So it'll ask me, do I want to use my $15 of store credit? I'll just select yes, and I'll at the self-checkout, and I'll be able to get $15 off from the rebate app at Kroger in that transaction. So this doesn't have to go to PayPal. Now, if you'd rather go to PayPal, you can do that. But here's the catch. If you do it with PayPal, you have to have a minimum of $20. And with Kroger, it can literally just be $1, which is amazing. So let me show you right here. Look at this. This is what it says once it has processed. It says sent to balance. Basically what that means is it was sent to your balance. That plain and simple. If it's not sent to balance, then it's not there. Sometimes it might say this prior to it actually showing up in your balance. Delilah told me that as well. So yeah, really awesome. Keep in mind you can't use these with like clearance items at Kroger. It probably won't work on clearance. This is not the same as Ibotta. I originally thought it was because the rebates are identical, but Wanda actually reached out to Kroger. They told her this is a totally separate thing. You can do anything with it that you want, which is really, really awesome. If you don't get the rebates, like I said, you will, they will credit it back if you call them. But you have to wait the 7 days, which is annoying, but that's how it is. So if you have any more questions about this program, let me know. I hope I explained it all. I don't know if you can use digital coupons with it. I don't know why you couldn't, but I don't know if you could. I don't know. Something we'll have to figure out. So yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.